Welcome back to my video. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Melanie. I'm a financial analyst and I do videos on side hustles, entrepreneurship, passive income, and all things money. Today, we're going to talk about why you can't find that remote job you've been looking for. So there's a lot of stuff on the internet, a lot of videos about the remote job listings and how to get a remote job and all this other stuff. But I have a different take on the remote job aspect. But I just want to share a little research with you. In May of 2022 on LinkedIn, 18% of jobs were remote. Now, 10% of jobs are remote, but the same 40% of workers are seeking remote only jobs. So that number of job availability that is remote has decreased, but the number of people who want remote is the same or even growing. So let's take a look at why you can't find a remote job. It's because the remote job pool is shrinking now in 2024 and people still want to work remote. Many of those jobs are turning into hybrid jobs or completely 5 days a week on site. So let's talk about some of the alternatives and what we can do to make money from home without always relying on a remote job. So as far as remote jobs, if we really want to do something remote, where should we look? Should we look at big companies? Should we look at tech companies? Should we look on LinkedIn? Should we look on Indeed? No, because everybody is applying for the few remote jobs that are out there. We want to have a better chance at getting a remote job because we just do not want to go back into the office 5 days a week. I don't know who wants to do that, but not a lot of people want to do that after experiencing completely a whole year and a half being remote. These are not the only places to look for remote jobs because, like I said, remote jobs are slowly dwindling away as we get back into the normal swing of things and people go back into the offices. But think about this as a different mind shift. Think about, if I can't find a remote job at a regular company and be a W-2 employee, think about, what if I start my own company? What if I start my own business and you can work from anywhere you want? So before you click away from this video, just hear me out. Starting a business is not rocket science. Many people own small businesses or they own multiple small businesses. It just takes some work. No, it's not going to be passive right out of the gate. If you have a passive income situation like selling courses, you still have to study about the course, research it, film it, market it so it can sell, and then it's off and rocking and rolling and making you money, and then it becomes passive. When I say a business, it is for you to grow your business, to make money, to do something that you love instead of just working for a 9 to 5 and a company that, makes you come in and work in their office when you don't necessarily need to. So the perks about having your own business, not just working from home remotely for somebody else, is you have your own business, you can work from wherever you want. You can work from your house, you can work from a vacation place, you can work from an office that you own. Whatever the case is, you own it, you can work from wherever you want. 2, you can do whatever hours you want. Obviously, entrepreneurs work a little bit harder at the beginning than a 40-hour-a-weeker, but it's your passion, it's something that you want to do. Number 3, the perk about having your own company is that you know the finances. You know when your company is in trouble and you know when it's doing great. When you're a W-2 employee, you have no idea. Your boss might know that, but you as the employee don't know that. So you could get fired at any time and it would be a complete surprise. Whereas the higher ups know everything about the budget, they know when it's in trouble, and they know when they need to let people go well before they let them go. So that type of security is amazing because if your business is in trouble, you can always ask for help or seek financial advice and get it on its feet again. But you won't know that when you have a W-2 job. Number 4 is you get better tax credits when you're a business owner versus when you are a W-2 employee. So this will save you some money when you're doing all your business purchases and when you're filing your taxes and things like that. These are the things that business owners should think about when they're transitioning from working for somebody and being an employee and going and stepping out on their own and owning their own business. There's so many perks. If you're watching this video and then you're looking for a remote job, consider starting your own business. I have another video, it's called Businesses That Never Fail, and these are businesses that I put together that are easy to start, they're easy to manage, especially if you're a new entrepreneur. I really hope that this gives you something to think about when you're looking for your remote job, that you kind of pivot and say, well, maybe I need to step out and find my own company because I'm going to be looking for another remote job if this company has issues or this company goes back to the office too. So I hope this tip has helped you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps my channel out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.